Marina Crescent. Hello, birdie. Very nice color. Wow. Wow. Hello, dove. Dove. Hello, bird. Very nice bird. I'm going to the pigeons. Look at them. A lot of pigeons again. Ooh, nice. I love seeing them. Look at them, guys. Because some people give them food in this side, so they're here. Yeah. They're flying by. Come na, boy. Yan, dami nila, guys. Yan. Wow. Oh, yeah, look at them. Look at that. Very cute dove. Hello, dove. Okay. Nice. Lovebirds. So we're here now in Marina Beach Park and we're heading to the basketball court because seems like there will be an event this coming weekend because they prepare this basketball court for something sponsored of course by energy drink.
But let's
As you can see, they're trying to train themselves. Look at that sun, guys. It's super what do you call this one? It's really well detailed that it's round. It looks like moon, but guys, it's the sun. This is the Marina Beach Park today. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.